Hello, good afternoon, everybody. The changes we are making are proving to be positive, but we still feel we're lacking something in our lives. Spirit says there are sweet results awaiting you, and the angels say that new resources of money, time, and support is coming your way. There is a change in a job or even a promotion, something like that. We have been patient and we tried out many things, and there is brightness at the end of the tunnel. At this time, they want you to look after your health and also lay good, solid foundations for yourself. The angels say yes, an emotionally secure family is important to you. You must know your own worth. And the angels say it's an important time now to improve your plans. Listen to your intuition for accurate guidance. Face your fears and grow stronger. Something is coming your way, good or bad, and you will successfully overcome this obstacle. You must take the lead. They say the answer that you're looking for is love. You must increase your efforts if you want to reach your goals. Clear out the clutter. It's time to detach or get rid or get out of a situation. Make the decision. Be clear on what you want and take action. They say move forward with positivity, confidence, and grace, and embrace the in between. Forgive that two faced friend that we were always talking about. There's big, happy changes coming into your life, and you need to be here in the now. An exciting new opportunity is coming in. You have what it takes to succeed. Review all contracts and documents thoroughly. You will be having dealings with a fair woman. Let your heart shine out. And they say there are improvements underway already. There's no need for you to worry. Beware of self delusion. The Sun card is here and it says life is wonderful. Thrive through the power of positive thinking. There's obstacles to overcome, but give with gratitude and grace. In your marriage, there has been misunderstandings, but something very good is about to happen. You're using your mind wisely. You claiming your power. You listening to your feelings. You opening up your heart to infinite possibilities. You following your own hopes, dreams, and wishes. Um, you are fighting for justice and equality, and there are rulings going to be made in your favor. Don't give up. And your loved ones say, see the light within yourself and everyone else. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all very, very much.